Well, my friends, this is a golden opportunity to show you a case of cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy of the child. The child was treated and examined in the Christian Medical College at Vellore, and see, in 2013 it has already been diagnosed as cerebral palsy with total body involvement. So this is the opportunity. I do like to demonstrate you about this disease. Though this is a very pathetic condition for the poor parents, but we shall try to increase the ability of the child, because both in intelligence side and the physical side, many childs are capable to lead a useful life. I have seen. For this, the proper homeopathic treatment, and in addition to there is physiotherapy and behavioral therapy is essential. Now, what is the disease? What is the cause of this paralysis? This is the paralysis of the whole body. We have seen the paralysis after cerebrovascular accident or cerebral stroke, one-sided paralysis, one-sided hemiplegia, left-sided or right-sided. But this is the paralysis in four limbs: left superior extremity, left inferior extremity, right superior extremity, and right inferior extremity. Spastic, this is known as spastic diplegia. Why it has happened? What is the cause behind it? Owing to the failure of the brain, the failure of the development of the brain from the mother's womb, from the mother's uterus, owing to failure of the brain to develop properly in the womb, children may be born with this type of paralysis. Damage to the cortex of the brain, damage to the cortex of the higher center of the cerebral cortex involves to the upper motor neuron and leads to the form of spastic diplegia, which is known as Little's disease, because the Little Sahib discovered these phenomena, in which the paralysis occurs in both sides of the body and all the limbs of the body. The legs are so steep, very steep. It cannot even cross. Difficult to cross each other. So legs are so steep and rigid that the child has great difficulty in walking and does so with the legs crossed over each other, which is known as Caesar's gait. এমনিতেই একটা পা একটা পায়ের দিকে যাবে না, কিন্তু হাঁটতে গেলেই সিজারের মতন, কাঁচির মতন পা একটা পা আরেকটা পায়ের সাইডে পড়ে যাবে। We have seen the condition in the rickets due to vitamin D deficiency, that is called knock knee. একটা পা আরেকটা পায়ের গায়ে লেগে যায়, but this is called Caesar's gait because the one leg falls upon the others while walking. Damage of the deeper part of the brains may lead to jerky movement sometimes. This is the walking difficulty, gait difficulty. There may be sometimes convulsions. I have asked to these parents, this child has never walked any convulsion, but sometimes damage, that means there is no destruction or damage in the deeper parts of the brain. If damage of the deeper parts of the brain centers, frequently there will be jerky movements, jerky involuntary movements, that is called athetoid type. And the legs when crossed each other known as Caesar gait type. While involvement of the cerebellum causes an unnecessary and unsteady gait and difficulty in balancing is known as ataxic type. There are different types, 3 types: ataxic type, athletic type, and the Caesar gait type. Seriously handicapped children may have a combination of all the types. কারোর একটা থাকতে পারে athetoid type or Caesar gait type or all combined. So the main symptoms are convulsions if the higher center of the brain is damaged more. If the higher center of the cerebral cortex is not involved, only the paralysis. spastic paralysis, diplegia, paralysis of the four limbs, the joints, the hand extremities are very stiff, cannot flex, cannot extend, so flex. And if forcefully the parents wants to try to walking, the leg becomes crosswise, known as Caesar's gait. So this is very difficult case, serious case, and let's try by our homeopathic medicines, my friend. So due to degeneration of the central nervous system, I had decided to prescribe Plumba metallicum at first. Then after taking some homeopathical symptoms, the child is intelligent, fear of darkness, and obstinate and intelligent enough, and the physical makeup also led me to think of phosphorus. I have given phosphorus in 50 millisiemens scale of potencies. Let's see the result on daily morning is to be given direction.